Today, Dr. Inkey reviews the Inkey list. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. Inkey, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skynfyx Head2Head Challenge. Today, we'll be reviewing the Inkey list Bakuchiol with the Inkey list Retinol. Disclaimer, I didn't create this brand. But first of all, before we move on to the Head2Head Challenge, let's talk a little bit about Bakuchiol. Have you ever used Inkey list products before? If you have, please comment below. The ingredient of Bakuchiol has been gaining popularity over the past couple of years. So let's have a deep dive into the ingredient to see whether it's worth the hype or not. First up, where did Bakuchiol come from? It is derived from leaf of seeds of this particular plant, which I'm not going to pronounce the name. The plant is native to China and has been used for many years in Chinese herbal medicine to reduce inflammation and to reduce bacterial infections. So when added to skincare, what does it do? Bakuchiol initially has been touted to be the alternative to retinol. However, we found it to be a little bit different than traditional retinol. First up, Bakuchiol is a potent antioxidant. Bakuchiol is safe to be used during the morning and night. So if you use it during the morning, it helps protect your skin against harmful UV radiations, against pollutants, and even skin stressors like dust mites, and as well as heavy makeup. Due to the fact that it's a good antioxidant, it can help reduce fine lines and help reduce a little bit of pigmentation. Secondly, Bakuchiol helps calms sensitive skin. That means if you have skin irritation, Bakuchiol actually helps remove or reduce your redness, helps soothe the skin, and helps a little bit with your skin barrier repair. Third of all, Bakuchiol is antibacterial. Studies have shown that Bakuchiol is bactericidal. Bactericidal means by adding Bakuchiol to active bacteria, it kills off the bacterial growth and the bacterial infection. So this is pretty good if you have any infection on your skin, example, active acne. So Bakuchiol works for active acne. Now, fourth of all, since it's not actually retinol, Bakuchiol is safe to be used in pregnant women and in breastfeeding women. Due to its safety, Bakuchiol has been touted to be an alternative to retinol during pregnancy. However, is it really an alternative to retinol? Retinol or vitamin A has a direct relationship and a direct effect on your skin's collagen and elastin. That means it works directly as an anti-aging cream and helps reduce acne scars. However, Bakuchiol doesn't work like retinol. It does not stimulate any collagen in your skin. Instead, rather, it helps soothe the skin and it's just an antioxidant to slow down aging. So who is Bakuchiol suitable for? First of all, it's suitable for anyone with dry skin, sensitive skin, someone who has combination skin, and even acne-prone skin. However, should you throw away your retinol for Bakuchiol? Clinically, we sometimes prescribe Bakuchiol with retinol as well. Now, why do we do that? It's because retinol has been known to have a little bit of skin irritation and causes purging. However, Bakuchiol soothes skin irritation and also helps reduce purging. So one of the best ways to have in combination, whereby you get the best benefits from Bakuchiol and the best benefits from retinol, is to use Bakuchiol in the morning and retinol at night. So now that's all about Bakuchiol. Now let's go through the Inkey list Bakuchiol 1% serum. First up, let's talk about the box. Inkey list is popular for its black and white branding, and it has tons of information regarding Bakuchiol on its box. So it's written here what is Bakuchiol for, and even highlights that it's safe for pregnancy and for breastfeeding. A bottle of the Inkey list Bakuchiol comes in a 30 ml bottle. This is a 1% Bakuchiol. The main ingredients inside is actually 1% Bakuchiol and 1% Saka Incy oil. Saka Incy oil contains vitamin E. So with vitamin E and Bakuchiol, it helps soothe the skin and helps repair the skin. It also contains glycerin and squalene. For those who have used the Inkey list Bakuchiol, or you have used any sort of Bakuchiol before, please click a thumbs up. First of all, in terms of smell. So the best thing about the Inkey list Bakuchiol is that it does not contain any alcohol, no artificial fragrance, and no essential oils as well. So in terms of smell, it's pretty neutral. so I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5. In terms of texture, it is something in between moisturizer and something a little bit oily. But for texture, it is actually pretty soothing for the skin. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. In terms of price, it's pretty affordable. It sells for roughly about $10 US, and in Malaysia you can get it anywhere between 50 to 60 ringgit. So in terms of price, it's well worth the price for a 30 ml bottle. Price, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. Now, in terms of efficiency, how well it works. Now, I do not have acne on my skin, hence when I use Bakuchiol, I don't really see any results. However, I do feel my skin a little bit more hydrated and a little bit less skin irritation. So for efficiency, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Overall, it's 4.25 stars out of 5. Next up, the Inkey Retinol 1% Serum. Same as its cousin, the Bakuchiol, it has a nice clean packaging with all its information over the back, whereby it tells you who is it suitable for and what is it used for. And here, it specifically says reduce wrinkles, reduce fine lines, and evens out your skin tone. And since retinol is a very popular ingredient on our channel and we have covered it many times, we're gonna go straight to the evaluation of the product. If you're a retinol lover like me, please click a thumbs up and comment below your favorite retinol brand. First of all, when it comes to smell, again, it does not contain any alcohol, no fragrance, and no essential oil. So for smell, it's pretty neutral. I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5. Now, in terms of texture, even though it's stated that it's a serum, it's a little bit thicker than a serum. However, it can apply and spread on pretty nicely on your skin pretty quickly. So for texture, a 5 out of 5. For price, the retinol sells at the same price as Bakuchiol, which is $10 US, or in Malaysia, 50 to 60 ringgit. So for price, it's well worth the price. For 30 ml bottle, it's 5 out of 5 for me. And for efficiency, I love retinol. My skin doesn't get irritated by it. And for efficiency, I saw pretty good results with this. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. So overall, it's 4.25 stars out of 5. So wait a minute, there are no winners here. This is 4.25 stars out of 5. This is 4.25 stars out of 5. So which should you choose? First of all, if you have used retinol before and it doesn't cause any sort of skin irritation, always choose retinol. It has better long-term anti-aging benefits for you. However, if your skin is easily irritated, you have acne, and you're currently pregnant or breastfeeding, choose Bakuchiol. And you know what I'll choose? I'll choose both. Bakuchiol for morning, retinol for night. That's it from me. I'm Dr. Ingky, and this is the end of the video. If you like the video, please click the notification bell button, like and comment below, and tell us whether you prefer Bakuchiol or you prefer retinol. Until next time, I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor. Remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.